Magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-usapan natin kabola ang sitwasyon po ni Maturite dito nga po sa Phoenix kabola, at atin po isasuggest po yung top 3 teams na pwede pong mag-offer or mag-trade offer po sa Phoenix to get ito po si Maturite. And then happenings po around the league. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start po kabola with some signings around the league. First sa Northport / Pure Blends, napaparma po nila ng bagong kontrata si Franyu at saka si Daniel Contapay or Demi Contapay kabola. So these two bench players kabola will remain with the Northport Batang Pier kabola. So are they promising players? In a way, they are young players kabola, pero not really say promising, pero at the very least kabola, it's good to see Pure Blends / Northport is doing the signings already. On the other hand naman, Terrafirma kabola is showing na meron pa silang pera by signing back kabola, extending si Kenmark Carino at saka si Brent Paraiso kabola. So two vital players of their team. Nakakaraming, of course, Carino is really part of the future kung sino man makakabili dito sa Terrafirma kabola, because of his ability kabola to hit outside shot, and of course the length that he will bring kabola. Pero overall kabola, of course, this is the right way for Terrafirma to do. Hindi ko alam kung bakit po, kung paano nila napag-kiusapan tong dalawa to remain with them, diba? Anong offer nila kabola. Retirement time player ng TNT, nag-champion din po. Maalala nyo to nag-champion din siya sa Santa Lucia kabola. So Ryan Reyes, he will be remembered as one of the greatest defensive wing kabola of this era kabola. And of course, kung maalala nyo nung nasa Santa Lucia to, before siya tuloy naging role player na defensive guard sa TNT kabola, this guy is also very good on the offense, especially in scoring kabola. Diba, nung sila pa lang po ng Kelly Williams yung duo doon kabola, and they led them to a championship kabola. So Ryan Reyes will be remembered as a championship role player kabola. Same with Sean Anthony, na kung maalala nyo kabola nung nasa pick pa ito, palagi itong sinasabi na the most underrated player in the PBA kabola. This guy is really underrated. This is, kumbaga siya yung parang Cliff Hodge na mas maliit kabola, in a way, diba? Na Cliff Hodge na mas offensively skilled, although overall defensively Cliff Hodge is bigger, Cliff Hodge is more energy, more athletic, pero si Sean Anthony man more skilled siya, especially on the offense, and pinapakita niya yan. Overall, again, this guy is legit kabola. I just hope that at the very least sana nakapanalo po siya ng championship. Unfortunately, hindi po siya nata-timing doon sa mga bibigat na team na pinuntahan niya na mananalo po sila ng championship. Bonitan kabola, mina-explain niya dito na mukhang aalis daw muna siya kabola, dito po sa Pure Blends / Northport kabola, So kumbaga, siguro, I'm not sure, tinatapos siya yung kontrata niya, pero tinurn down niya daw yung offer to be a team governor kabola dito sa Pure Blend, although siya actually yung may connection dito po sa bagong team owner ditong Pure Blends daw kabola, itong franchise po na ito. Now, here are the top 3 teams that we believe should consider trading for Maturite kabola. Third po would be TNT. Bakit po si TNT kabola? Kasi if you look at what they are trying to get kabola, they are trying to get firepower, di ba? And of course, Maturite can bring that firepower to them kabola, and of course he has this skill set, he has this versatility kabola that he can bring, so that mas maging maayos po yung kanilang connection with Jordan Heading, with RR Pugoy. Number 2 natin is Barangay Ginebra, because of the reality kabola na nawalan sila ng isang Jamie Malonzo, and that is a big hole that they need to fill up, and I do believe Maturite can fill that up. Hindi na, of course, offensively, diba? You can really fill that up kabola, and we also bring that much needed po na playmaking ability kabola. Pero number 1 natin may Pure Blends kabola. I think they are really looking now for a firepower on the offensive end, and he can really bring that. So kung seryoso po ang Pure Blend na team, they can try to get Maturite from Phoenix with the right trade po. Ikaw ba sa bagay mo, sino po ang dapat makukuha Maturite? Comment lang po sa baba.